U-level firmware update. We'll start the level. The version firmware that you're running will show the bottom the first few seconds that it's on. We're going to start the Bluetooth by holding 0, tapping power. I'm going to go into the Bluetooth scanner. If you have any trouble connecting, you'll connect to the Laird BL652. If you've just updated the app, it may not recognize this. Once you connect one time, the system automatically searches for that from that point forward, and you don't have to go back and manually connect it. Now, to verify that you're connected, you can raise this just a little bit, and you'll see the variations come through on your reading as well. That's just a quick verification that you're connected. To upgrade, you'll simply hit the buttons, firmware updates. You want the bottom one here, the one that says it's for U-level, of course. Alert, ready to upgrade, just hit the yes. You'll see this start to count. This is the percentage of completion. So whenever we get to 100, it'll say 99, and it'll start and reboot again when it gets there, and it'll just go back into the normal operating system. Now, you need about 40%, like I say, power to start this process. This takes 6 minutes to walk through. You can't use the Bluetooth or the phone app if you're updating. So it's pretty much a dedicated process. You need to just start it, leave it set for 6 minutes, and when it's done, it's done. Like I say, it'll reboot